Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the clock control overlay in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 6 screws to release the upper rear access panel. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the clock control wire connector. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the clock control from the support braces. You can now peel off the old overlay. Clean off any residue. Install the new clock control overlay by peeling off the backing to expose the adhesive. Then align the overlay on the clock control and press firmly. With the new overlay in place, peel off the protective cover. Reposition the control on the support braces and thread the 4 mounting screws. Connect the wire connector. Reinstall the rear access panel by aligning the tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread the screws to hold it in place. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.